Hello everyone, my name is Umba George, aka Legacy, your favorite Forex tutor. And in today's video, I will be explaining to you guys why I got into this beautiful trade on EURGBP for sales, and also why I sent out the trade signal on the Golf Club VIP signal channel, right? If you're new to this channel, please smash the subscribe button right now. Thank you so much. All right, so let's get down to it. Before I get into any trade, there are 5 things I look out for. The first thing is the trend of the market. The second thing is the support or resistance level flowing with the trend of the market. The third thing I look out for is the head and shoulder pattern that I trade. The fourth thing that I look out for is liquidity. And the fifth and final thing that I look out for is imbalance. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I use these 5 elements to get this high quality trade set up on EURGBP, right? So let's get down to it. First of all, I came to the higher time frame of the daily, right? So right now you're looking at the daily time frame on EURGBP, right? And quickly I noticed that the trend of this market is bearish. Why? Because it's creating series of lower lows and lower highs, right? So as it created this lower low, it disrespected this previous lower low here, and then came back to create a lower high, thereby respecting this previous higher high, then creating a lower high, and then came back again to disrespect this lower low and create another lower low. And this already shows that the market is on a downtrend, right? So now that I've spotted the downtrend, the next thing I'm looking out to spot is a premium resistance level that is flowing with this downtrend, right? And if you look closely, you'll see that price created a support level at this point here that pushed price to the upside. It came back again at this point here, created support around this zone here, pushed higher, came down with these 2 black candles here, created another support here, which pushed price higher, right? And then when it came back again to form another support here, it failed to support, and then it broke through the support. And you guys know that whenever price breaks through a support level, it turns the support level towards resistance to move lower, right? And you can see that here, the moment price broke through this, we are expecting that price will come back here to turn here towards resistance and resist from that level. Now that I've spotted that the market is on a downtrend, and I've also spotted the premium resistance level flowing with this downtrend, the next thing I do is to go down to the lower time frame of 45 minutes, right? And on the 45 minutes, there are 3 things I'm looking out for. The first thing is the head and shoulder pattern that I trade. The second thing I'm looking out for is liquidity. And the last thing I'm looking out for is imbalance. And if you look at this point here, you see that this is the point where the market came to retest the premium resistance level. This yellow zone here is the premium resistance level, right? And you can see how the market came back on this lower time frame to tap on this premium resistance level. And remember, the moment price taps on the premium resistance level, I'm looking out for the head and shoulder pattern to show up. And the head and shoulder pattern looks like this, right? Price will literally come to create the left shoulder, come to create the neck, break above the left shoulder to create the head, then break below the neckline. After breaking below the neckline, it will literally come back to form the right shoulder. And the moment price forms the right shoulder, the price would literally go down. And inversely, the same thing. This is for a downtrend, right? But if you're looking at it inversely to go for an uptrend, this is how it always looks like, right? So now that I've showed you guys how the head and shoulder pattern looks like, let me play price and show you guys how the pattern looked like before I got into the trade, right? And you can see price kept moving, and from this point here, you can see price created the head and shoulder pattern, here, right? And you can see that clearly here. Let me draw it out for you guys, right? You can see from here, price created the left shoulder, came back to create the neck, broke above the left shoulder to create the head, broke below the neckline, and then came back to form what? The right shoulder. And remember, I told you guys, whenever price comes to form the right shoulder, what will happen? It will literally go down, right? And so you can see from that level there, the moment price formed the right shoulder, the next thing I looked out for is what? Liquidity. And if you look closely here, you will see equal low liquidity. These concepts are being taught in the Golf Club Comprehensive Forex course, right? So you can see the first equal low liquidity right there. Another equal low liquidity standing out here is this one here. Relatively equal low liquidity right there. And the last one is this one here. You can see this one is relatively equal, right? So you can see now I've spotted out the liquidity. The next thing I spot out again is what? Imbalance. And this is also taught in the Golf Club Comprehensive Forex course. So you can see the imbalance there. The imbalance is between these three green candles, that is this one, and this one. So you can see the insignificant gap there, right? It's an insignificant gap around this level here. And now I've spotted the imbalance, I've spotted the liquidity, and I've also spotted my head and shoulder pattern. I immediately got into my trade, placed my entry below here and my stop loss above there, and then I targeted my first take profit around this level and my second take profit around this level, right? And that's it, guys. You can literally see that afterwards the market literally, let's play price and see what happened afterwards, right? So you can see afterwards the market just literally went down and we made so much money, right, guys? And you can see how the markets went down, cleaned out the liquidity, filled up the imbalance, and it's literally still going down, right? So that's it, guys. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you got a lot of value from this video, simply smash the like button and comment on how you see this trading strategy. I love you all, and keep being the best trader and the best version of yourself. Bye for now.